Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see how you can connect Bluetooth devices to your laptop. Welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. So let's dive right into it. So here you can see I have two different Bluetooth devices right now on me. This one is the mouse and the next one is this earbud. So both are Bluetooth devices. In order to connect this both on your laptop, what we're gonna do is, first of all, make sure that your laptop's Bluetooth is turned on. In order to make sure that, you'll have to click on these Wi-Fi, volume, and this battery icon right here. We're going to click on these icon, and here you can see this will pop up, and here you can see currently my Bluetooth is turned on. You have to make sure that it is turned on your laptop just like this. So after making sure that, the next step is to simply turn on your Bluetooth mode on your Bluetooth devices. Here you can see currently in this Bluetooth mouse, when I drag this button down like this, the Bluetooth of this mouse is turned on. And in here you can see it has successfully been connected to my laptop because I have previously connected this Bluetooth device to my laptop. So if you have not previously connected this device on your laptop, the next thing that you want to do is click on this arrow that you can see right here. After clicking on this arrow, you'll have to scroll down, and under the new devices, there will be the name of this particular device. When you scroll up like this, here you can see this is the name of this device, and all you have to do is simply click on this device and it will be connected just like this. Now in here, also make sure that your another Bluetooth device is also turned on. So in order to turn this earbud, I'll have to open it and put this earbud on my ear. And just like the Bluetooth mouse, here you can see it has also been automatically connected to my laptop because I have again previously connected this device to my laptop. So if you have not previously connected your device on this laptop, you'll have to again scroll down, and as I said earlier, this device name will show under this new devices, and all you have to do is click on it and then it will be connected just like this. Here you can see now both of my Bluetooth device has successfully been connected to my laptop, and just like this you can connect your Bluetooth device to your laptop. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.